Okay, folks, Michael Judd here, Permaculture Rascal. Going to share a little Food Forest Management 101. This is a young food forest patch that has fuki growing heavily in it. Now, fuki is a Japanese plant that's eaten in the early spring, the stalk. I am using it as a ground cover, as a mulch plant, and a moisture retention for my main food producers in this food forest patch. In this patch, we have here in the bottom right corner a black currant bush. More in the center there is a grafted pawpaw, about 4 years old, coming up. It's a Susquehanna variety. Over here in the bottom left corner, hard to see in here, is a little Siberian pea shrub, nitrogen fixing plant. There's probably a few other characters in there that I've lost track of for the time. But what I want to show today is a technique in permaculture that we call chop and drop. It's a way to plant your mulch where you need it. So typically we tend to mulch maybe 1 or 2 inches with a little bit of shredded bark, and that really is not cutting it. So I'm going to exemplify a little chop and drop here today. There you have it, chop and drop. Now this fuki will grow back. And as you can see, it's quite a vigorous grower. So wherever you plant it, make sure that you can manage it, maybe mow around it. But the more you chop and drop, the more you'll limit its expansion as well. I also do chop and drop like this with running comfrey, mince, and horseradish. A lot of plants that are fast, abundant growers are mulch. So this is Chop and Drop 101.